Aloha! We are starting a series of videos on community living to create a flow that works for everyone. Something that is challenging for many, if not most, at times. But we have some suggestions and some practices that we use as well to create the kind of honoring and the respect that brings the peace and joy of community living that works.
All right.
Aloha, I'm Brittany at Malama Lama Sustainability Center, here to show you our community refrigerator. The system that we found most effective is by giving each resident their own shelf space. We do this by labeling each space by name, and I'm about to show you how that's done. So depending on how much space is needed, we either split a shelf in half or give a full shelf. We do this by labeling each side by name. So Post-it notes work fine. We found that the laminated labels last longer. This side is for Marissa, and that is all.